Dito kami sa dumpster.
Don't get drunk over there.
Truck.
Ako ba na, don't get
Dumpster
drunk over
juice.
there.
Iba talaga yung paano yung ano yung pronunciation mga kaibigan. Iba talaga.
Mali.
Hindi natin masyadong ma-pronounce yung mga pananalita nila. Pero mga kababayan natin, grabe ka fluent.
Yeah. No, I
Sorry,
didn't use
sorry.
it. Because the time when I use it, they ask
Hindi
me
tayo,
to go.
Anak.
I have a code, so
Kana dahil.
Tikman natin ang Amsterdam na steak. Wow, may ganito sila. Oh. Parang
no, the
sauce.
place that unsa tong kuan to no kanang the ticket for the
For the river cruise.
No. For the train
yes
ticket.
online.
Mm.
No,
Ang sarap ng
it's
kanilang
online.
tinapay.
Bitaw. Nahulog na ako.
Uy, ang cute ng kutsara.
Yeah.
Lagyan natin ng ano, mashed potato ako.
Nahulog na ilang
Yeah,
garnish.
but I didn't use the code
Sa
because
pagkaon.
it's too late already.
Gabi ina, nahulog ng garnish
They use
nila.
my
Di na
credit card to do
pagwapagwa pa.
They see
Ano te?
Huwag na nila magwapagwapahin lang steak na lutang.
no.
Kay
No.
nahurot na nila.
Not yet.
Hindi ko
So far, I use my credit card no problem, but only that online thing. Yeah, it's working, but only the online thing for the ticket yesterday. So
Smoke talaga
They-
siya te. Charcoal ba?
soft siya.
Mm.
Very
You
good.
need help?
Very good.
You need help for
the
the
thing,
review?
Yeah, I
the
cannot.
one that I use
try.
now, not the code.
Wow.
What is that? I forgot. But so far, they accept it. Every time I use it, it's accepted. No.
Ang layas mo bitaw
No,
mo
they
dire.
don't ask a PIN number
Google
when
Maps.
I use my credit card. Only yesterday for the online thing.
You got it, ate?
Yes. Yeah.
Grabe dito mga kaibigan, daming tao.
Yes?
Napakadaming tao dito.
Yeah.
Anong oras na?
Go
11
from
o'clock na?
Citibank.
Hanggang magdamag po.
You know, that they allow that payment. Yes, because that's why I will recommend that you put my number there. So every time I do that, if I'm away, I can use my number just so that the code will send it to my number. Now, okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No. Okay.
Ito yung main.
Can
Yeah.
you eat now? After can make it one. Okay?
Yeah, it's cold already, na?
Now can you eat now, please?
Yeah.
And after no.
Yep.
Maybe in the yes.
Okay.
Okay now?
Yep.
Take it. Finish?
Not yet, because I need to do the
Okay.
number.
Can you eat now, please?
Thank you.
Okay,
No,
boss.
our friend, that's our friend in our Citibank, I think. Our Citibank before, I think that's the one, 101K.
Nagpicture sila sa sign.
Not the credit card, not the credit card, the ATM.
Huwag mo sabi yung number. Huwag mo sabi yung number.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Sarap ng steak nila.
Okay.
Soft ba? Soft
Yeah.
lang.
Nice and tender. Ribeye.
Dili
Yeah.
overpowering ang iyan ko ano. Ang iyan sauce, dili po
Okay.
overpower.
Okay.
If you want salt and pepper,
Wala
Most
siyang
of boys.
ano din yung ibang maraming mga paminta. Sa amin,
chichi.
sa US, daming mga paminta. Iba yung kanilang mga
Yeah.
Dahil sa pagluto ba?
Schnitzel, you will have to eat it in Germany.
Ha?
You eat it in Germany. Schnitzel.
What? What? Rising tide? Why? Yeah.
Grabe, wala na mag-picture. Mumbai, kalimuman. Mga Indian.
Saan siya nagpicture?
Yeah.
Cute sa.
Sa view.
Mag-picture
Yung
sa
sign.
Ah, so they're going there, Ruby also.
Dumpstrages.
Some sketches.
Gandang weather ngayon dito. Nagsuot din kami ng pang-lamig. Pinahanda ka steak?
Kapit lagi mga rota ako.
Ingon din sila.
What?
Nga stay ka ng gabi una na.
Relay? No, I don't want you to relay anything because I don't like it. Yeah, I don't. You know me, honey. I don't like the people. It's like, you know. So I don't know why you go there, but it's okay because you're.
Walang turugan ng mga tao dito.
No.
Hanggang ano sila? Madaling araw.
Yes.
Bukas. Dito more on shopping. Shops.
Huh?
Restaurant.
What?
Souvenirs.
Pinaka-busy ron na week na niya.
Yeah. 100.
Ang dami mga nagbabayad.
I didn't use that one.
Yung
Can
iba
you
pauwi
imagine
Yeah.
if you live here?
Pauwi lang sila pag nagbabike.
Ay, hindi sila makatulog.
Ha?
Maybe that was exchanged because I don't remember which card I used, but
Pero siguro yan.
maybe that's the other card I gave you that I
Pero
used.
tanawa o dili
I
kayo
don't know.
stick ang iyong mga glass.
Dili ba?
Yeah.
Dili. Tanaw na ako.
Ano yung mga bagyo nila dito?
Wala.
Wow.
Really good din yung area. And also our area in Germany.
Ah.
Where we
Maybe
live,
that was the wrong card that I gave you. I have to
Katastrofa,
go to the other card
wala tanan.
and I give it to them. Yeah. I don't know where, but yeah.
What is it naman?
I think so. Yeah.
What is it picture?
Yeah, I think I didn't throw it.
Ito sa
It's there. I will have to look at
Or
it.
mga taga-ingana.
Overthinking bitaw.
We got home.
Gusto ko yung mga...
Kay hand ingana ba? Kisamil, hand of kisamil na nga. Kay kisamil may nga sa place. Nana ka matungko na. Picture ka dito.
Huh?
Hala, di dito na mo hawak. Hapit na mi, mga half hour.
You're cutting out.
Anak ko nakaantos. Isang kako, bahala po sila.
Mga professional yan.
Dili, mga ingana, dito sila. Katupong dito mi
I
sa
don't know.
kwan,
There's
sa
other people
Switzerland.
passing by. We're
Mga
outside
ingana po.
sitting.
Hala, di siya mauwaw nga. Arandagan na naging niya sa likod. Di siya mauwaw. Lugaya, nag-vlog na yun dito. Okay na mga taga ng
Yeah.
makaibaw baya ka.
Tomorrow.
Murag na piss off na ng mga tao.
Yeah, that's the schedule. That's tomorrow.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
going there. No, that's the parade. Tomorrow is a tulip.
Samante, you okay?
No, I text you about tomorrow we're going to the tulip.
Ay, maling ang people watching now. Di ba yung gabi?
Ganahan ko sa gawas eh. Kita ko ba?
Open. Open lahat dito.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just tired.
Pinatay ni Ka.
I'm still tired. My ribs is not good. But,
May cook din na Tia, please.
Ha?
yes, this time, but,
Pan.
but
Nahan ko sa ilang pan car.
every time I lay down, I can feel that it hurts.
Ay, dito.
Yeah.
Kasi tunga ko lang na ako.
Oh.
Ganun ko sa tinapay kay fresh bake.
Dokoro ba mo yung
Dito
pansit
talaga.
dito?
Everything tinapay.
Rice, anong dagana?
Kaon ba ito po dyan eh?
Ay, garaon.
Ikaw pa? Ako pa. Nag-sleep well ko kay Marad. Yung eye bags.
Grabe ko.
Gusto ko ba dahil ako dala? Nakita niya ako yung eye bags niya. Nagurot kita. Ang layer.
Klaro na dito.
Wala yung picture. Mag-sige. Hindi na tayo na-inform, Anina.
Ganda ng ano.
Ano nananaw, Day?
Ubay-ubay.
Gabiin naman karon.
Ate Iyay sa Amerika.
Daisy sa Germany.
Pinay ni Uncle Kano.
Inday ruling.
Ay mga kaibigan.
Kalma na, nananaw na naku.
Sa sunod, punta na naman tayo sa ano.
Sometimes I use my car.
Punta na naman daw kami sa
Sa Koikenhof. Sa Tulip Farm. Ay, Tulip Garden.
Punta naman kami sa tulips.
Yeah, Daisy.
So, te, magpunta tayo. Pagbalik natin from tulips. Pag-abot natin dito sa tulips. Matutulog sa hotel.
$1,000.
Punta tayo sa hotel.
Dili na.
Okay. Diretso na tayo.
Sud.
So, bukas na kung makakain ng
euro. So I
yung
think
mga
500.
wapol-wapol.
Some of it I used it for our get
Tapos,
there in Paris. Some and
Diba yung souvenir, te? Bili tayo ng mga souvenir.
yeah,
Ano ba kasaludo? Yung sabi, the best
yeah,
souvenir dito.
yeah, and I don't know. Like, I don't know how much left.
Kay-chin raka sa kong anak.
Oh.
Ay, yung mga cheese.
I did already.
This is
I
the
did.
place good
Na
na
dito.
dito.
Adire, ang best place sa cheese.
Yeah, it's a cheese kuan ba yan? Netherlands.
You mean? I told you I already gave her.
Gouda is in Netherlands.
Okay.
It's a place in Netherlands.
Maybe two more days.
Yan yung ano natin. Dalata ng cheese. Saan maganda bibili ng olive oil?
Yeah.
Honey. Ate, gusto ko magdala ng honey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Honey,
honey
chocolate,
is famous
cheese,
in
olive
Netherlands.
I
oil.
know.
Honey?
But I think I only have how many dollars left, euro left in my
Get it in Germany nga sa Gradum Farm.
Okay.
Local farm ba? Ayaw kaligti yung ito na ka dito. How long isulat?
How long is?
But we need, we really need to have money.
Belgium.
That's different.
Belgium.
You know?
Chocolate, honey. Gusto ko magdala ng pastry. Saan magandang beef food?
Oh. Balik mo ka sa Amsterdam, no?
Balik na
Yeah.
lang sa Amsterdam.
For 2 days, and then
One night.
back
Di ba dahil?
in Germany with Index's house, and then go to London. For 2
Dapat
days.
mag-book tayo ng hotel dito kasi nga kayo, ako,
Yes.
ano pa ko eh.
In
Kasi
Germany,
yung flight
in their
ko,
place.
ang flight ko
And then,
is 1:30
and
something.
then go home.
Kayo,
Go
you
to
have to
London.
be 10:30 yung sa inyo.
I think,
So, London.
Hala. Mau ba di ay? Ano
I think-
na day mo Friday night?
Ano
no?
niya?
Yes, yes.
I think Nami Hotel, one night.
No, not anymore.
Mau ba?
I'm not sure.
Muna mo yung hotel mo,
Uy,
bukan na lang ko sa
I
inyo,
forgot.
sneak in na lang ko.
course.
Bolder.
Friday?
I'm not sure kaya siya may nag-return na.
No, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kay
Friday. Kay Friday may 26 may
Yeah, we take trains.
Sa
To get
Saturday,
how many
ang
trains you
inyong
take. Because it's
Flight.
only one
Flight.
way.
So sa
We have to
Friday mo dito
change
balik
train
diri
and then
madog.
go. Because we went to Hague today
Napatay di ay.
and coming back.
Pila ram di mo kaadlaw sa amo o sa kaadlaw ha?
Yeah. But there are Filipinos there too.
Hapon mo?
No.
Dili paghapon.
21, 22,
2 nights.
murag Russell man me.
There's a lot of Filipinos there going there visit.
Yeah,
the America, but
22,
they cannot
oh,
see.
22,
They go
magkita
there
na ta sa
to
coast.
help them because he's inside the
Then
jail.
22 matos amo, gabi na matamo abot.
We're just outside.
22, 23, 23.
Oh yeah, there's
Natasabay.
many Filipinos. There's on the 30th Street.
Punta na ako sa dali. Tapos
Kita na lang tayo ulit mamaya mga kaibigan.
They just call it 30th Street, I think.